Good evening all, long time no see. Today, I'll discuss the questions about congruent triangles. Let's have the question 1. In the figure, you see angle BAD, angle BAD will equals angle DCB. So you must know how to find the angle by the orders of the capital letter B and then go to A and then go to D. So that is this angle. Okay, now for angle ABD, a right angle, CDB, a right angle. Okay, now prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB. Now let's have the question A part first. Now look at this. Obviously that we are going to find the triangle in triangle ABD and triangle CDB. Obviously, we are going to use these 5 numbers: S, 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 A, S, A, S, A, 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 S, and R, H, S. Okay, now let's have a look. Obviously, for these 2 triangles, first condition we have is that we know that this is a right angle. Okay, this is a right angle. Okay, that means we fulfill A. We fulfill these 2. Maybe one of these, one of these, one of these, or one of these. This is called right angle. Okay, now the other one is that, so that means that we will not use SSS. Okay, next, we know that these 2 angles are given. Okay, let's have another colors. We have the orange one and the orange one. Okay, these 2 are equal. So that means this one is another angle we have. For SAS, obviously, you know that we only use 1 angle, but 2 sides. So this is not correct. For this one, we have the other angle. Okay? But for RHS, please must pay attention. H stands for hypotenuse. That means the longest one. In the question, we do not find out that AD will equal to BC. And obviously, for part B, we are going to prove that by A. So that means they are always not equal. So we will not use RHS this time, although we have the right angle here. Okay? Now, the last one, what we have is that we must find S. We'll put in the middle of them. That is AB equal to DC. Are they equal? The answer is no. Because we do not know if this one is a parallelogram or not. So these 2 are not equal. And in the question, we do not have anything that tells you that AB equal to DC. So we will not use ASA also. So the final one is to the AAS. That is the common side. Because we have 2 sides, 2 triangles, and that the sides are the same. So we will use the common side here. So we will use AAS here. In case you can tell me that in the examination you are not going to write down these things, but you are going to determine which one you are going to use for you, not only SSS, but please pay attention for what do you use. Okay, now we must write down the answer. Now, okay, first of all, we told is that it's angle BAD, okay, BAD, okay, and then equals to DCB. So angle DCB given. Okay, this is the first one. Second one, the right angle, angle ABD equals angle CDB given. Once again, the second one. The third one, we will use the BD is the common side. So that is BD equals DB. Okay, we change it because this is common side. Okay, so the last one. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB. That is AAS. Okay, we will prove the first one. Next part, we are going to do part B. Okay, now what are we going to do part A and then part B? That means we will use the part A to solve the part B. AD is a part of the triangle ABD. BC is the part of triangle CDB. That means we can use the part A congruent because ABD is congruent to triangle CDB, obviously. So we will say AD will equals CB, okay? CB, that is corresponding size congruent triangles. Don't miss the reason, because in the question prove that you must write down the reason, otherwise you will lose some mark, because for every proof you must write something that reason. Okay, this is the whole answer of the question 1. So I hope you have to know when do we use the reasons for the congruent triangles. Okay, this one. Okay, that's the end of these questions.